Every day, thousands of cassava roots begin a journey that ends as flour on America's tables. Before a single root moves forward, every batch is tested: starch levels, moisture, and trace compound content. "30 tons of cassava cleared, tested, and ready. The real transformation is about to begin. Inside this drum, high-pressure water strips every trace of field soil from the root's surface. The white flesh beneath, clean, starch-dense, and ready, is already a different material entirely.
Clean, peeled, and moving at pace, every root now carries the starch that will become the flour.
At 1,400 revolutions per minute, the rasper reduces a whole root to fine, wet pulp in under a second. This milky slurry holds the starch, but first, every trace of fiber must be removed from the liquid.
The starch is now free from the fiber fond, a dense white slurry moving toward the next transformation. At 3,000 revolutions per minute, the centrifuge wrings the water from the starch with extraordinary force.
Breaking the cake increases surface area, the key to achieving even, consistent drying in the stage ahead.
40% moisture, precise, measured, and exactly where it needs to be before the dryer takes over.
Hot air at over 140 degrees carries each starch particle upward, drying it completely in under 3 seconds.
% moisture or less, tarshan, the threshold that transforms wet crumble into stable, millable flour.
Dried, tested, and approved pundent, the starch is now one process away from becoming true flour.
At 3,600 RPM, hardened steel hammers reduce dried starch to a flour so fine it becomes almost weightless.
This is the moment. Raw cassava root, now flour, fine enough to pass through a 180 micron mesh without resistance.
Four mills, 2 sifters, 1 specification, and the flour that emerges is consistent to within a single micron. The blending hall is where consistency becomes the product, every batch made identical to the one before it.
Three samples, 3 points in the blend. The micronutrients must be perfectly even in every spoonful of this flour.
Fortified, homogenized, and approved this flour now carries more than starch. It carries a nutritional promise. Every bag on every shelf started in a silo exactly like this, flour waiting, line ready, the final stage about to begin.
Every bag carries a code, a traceable record linking this moment back to the route that arrived this morning.
60 bags every minute, each one sealed, coated, checked, and carrying the full journey of the root inside. The final phase, every case placed with the same precision that began with the very first root this morning.
One scan, and this pallet enters a system that will track it from this floor to the shelf where it lands. Stored, labeled, and waiting preened. Thousands of bags, each one a full day's work held still in the cool of the warehouse.
From root to flower, parmi. From field to shelf, parmi. This is what it means to feed a nation, one bag at a time.